What did you do yesterday?
I went to Dhaka yesterday. I went to market yesterday. I went to my uncle's house yesterday. I went to my friend's house yesterday. How about you?
To improve your knowledge, listen carefully. What do you do in the morning?
I go to work in the morning. I go to school in the morning. I go to my shop in the morning. I take exercise in the morning.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I go to play in the afternoon. I go to market in the afternoon. I go to play football in the afternoon. I go to play cricket in the afternoon. I go to field for working in the afternoon.
What do you do in the evening?
I go home in the evening. I go to read in the evening. I go to study in the evening. I go to cook in the evening. I go to mosque for saying Maghrib prayer in the evening.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a teacher. I want to be an English speaker. I want to be a writer.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. My favorite color is blue. White is my favorite color. How about you? When will you be free?
I will be free at 7. I will be free at 9. I will be free at 10 o'clock. I will be free after 7. I will be free after coming home. I will be free after taking breakfast.
What time is it now?
It's 7 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 20 minutes past 5. It's 10 minutes past 10. It's 5 minutes to 10.
How are you all?
We are fine.
What do you do?
I am a doctor.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
What are you doing?
I am writing. I am eating. I am playing. I am listening. I am waiting. I am writing. I am reading. I am cooking.
What does he do?
He is a doctor. He is an engineer. He is a teacher. He is a cooker. He is a writer. He is a player.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a primary school teacher.
What does your father do?
My father is a lawyer.
When do you get up?
I get up very early in the morning. I get at 9 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you go?
I go at 5 o'clock. I go at 6 o'clock. I go at 7 o'clock every day.
What do you want?
I want a mobile. I want a book. I want a pen. I want a motorbike. I want a laptop.
Where did you go?
I went to Dhaka. I went to market. I went to my friend's house.
What did you want?
I wanted a mobile. I wanted a laptop. I wanted a job. I wanted a shirt.
What are you looking for?
I am looking for a job. I am looking for a teacher. I am looking for a doctor. I am looking for a friend. I am working for an engineer.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I have a brother and no sisters.
What time do you eat?
I eat rice at 8 o'clock in the morning. I eat rice at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I eat rice at 9 o'clock at night.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children, and both are girls. They love me so much.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course. How can I help you, sir? What are you looking for? I am looking for an English teacher.
Where are you going?
I am going to learn English. I am going to play football. I am going to Dhaka. I am going to buy a mobile. I am going to school for learning English.
Where are you planning to go?
I am planning to go to Canada. I am planning to go to Chittagong. I am planning to go to Dhaka. I am planning to go to your house.
What is your future plan?
To be a doctor is my future plan. To be an engineer is my future plan. To be an honest man is my future plan. How about you?